Docker is on almost every cloud and DevOps job description, and once you understand it, you'll wonder how anyone deployed software without it. It works on my machine. Every developer has said those words at least once. You write code, it runs perfectly on your laptop, then it breaks completely when deployed to the server. Different operating systems. Different library versions. Different configurations. Docker was invented to solve exactly this problem. And once you understand it, you'll realize it's one of the most powerful tools in modern software development. Docker is a platform for building, shipping, and running applications in containers. A container is a lightweight, standalone package that includes everything an application needs to run: the code, the runtime, the libraries, the configuration. It's completely isolated from the host machine. Run a Docker container on your laptop, on a server, on a cloud instance anywhere in the world. It behaves identically everywhere. That's the breakthrough. A virtual machine emulates an entire computer, including its own operating system. It's heavyweight, takes minutes to start, and consumes gigabytes of memory. A container shares the host operating system's kernel and only packages what the application needs. Containers start in seconds, use far less memory, and you can run dozens on a single machine where you'd only run a handful of VMs. A Docker image is the blueprint, a read-only template containing the application and its dependencies. A Docker container is a running instance of an image. A Docker file is the script you write to build your own image. Docker Hub is the public registry where you can find and share images. Over 100,000 official and community images are available there, free to use. Instead of writing installation instructions, you write a Docker file. From Ubuntu. Run apt-get install Python 3. Copy my app to the container. cmd python 3 app.py. Run Docker build and you have an image. Run Docker run and you have a running application, in any environment, with zero configuration differences. Docker Compose lets you define multi-container applications, web server, database, cache, all started with one command. Docker appears on the vast majority of DevOps, cloud, and backend development job descriptions globally. It's a prerequisite for Kubernetes. Companies of every size, from startups to global enterprises, use Docker as standard practice. Adding Docker to your CV immediately signals that you understand modern software delivery. Download Docker Desktop, it's free. Pull the official Hello World image and run your first container in under 5 minutes. Containerize a simple Python or Node application. Explore Docker Compose. Then study Kubernetes, the natural next step. Uplatz's DevOps courses cover Docker from fundamentals through production-grade usage with hands-on labs throughout. Docker is not a niche tool, it's standard practice in modern IT everywhere. Get comfortable with it now and you'll be ready for the cloud-native world. Visit uplatz.com to explore our Docker and DevOps courses. Subscribe for more practical technology tutorials.